Hello boys and girls, do you have siblings? Good. I do. I also have a brother. Yes. And now I really love my brothers. And the stories I will tell you next is a reminder to me about my brother. I remember that when he was young, I would not take care of him. And when he was taking a nap, I often wake him up and he starts to cry. So now I feel very regret. And I hope that if you have sibling, please love your sibling and take care of them. Okay, so next I will tell you the story. This story is tell about the little girl and her babies. And you can see, what the baby is doing? What is baby doing? Yes, he is taking a nap. And you know what happened? And when the baby is taking a nap, a tiny fly bursts by, and the noise wakes the baby up. So, do you know how the little girl stopped the baby from crying? Okay, if you would like to find out, please read out to me the story. Don't Wake the Baby, written by Wendy Chetty Lewison, illustrated by Zari Smart. So now let's start the stories, okay? We have a new baby in our house. His hands are tiny. So you have, yes. His feet are tiny. He is so cute. Yes, he is so cute, like you here. Okay. I want to kiss the baby on his nose. No, says Mom. Don't wake the baby. Shh. Yes. What happened? You can see. Yes, a car goes by. Beep, beep. The baby dare not wake up. The telephone rings. Ring, ring. The baby dare not wake up. He's still sleeping. A hammer. Bang, bang. The baby dare not wake up. A dog bark. Bow, go. Whoa, whoa. The baby dare not wake up. But what happened? Can you see? Oh, what a tiny bird flies. A tiny fly bursts by. Oh no, the baby wake up. The baby say, wah, 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 wah. And what the mom do? The mom brings the baby a bottle. The baby dare not want the bottle. The dad brings the baby a bunny. The baby dare not want the bunny. So who will this person stop the baby from crying? Yes, this is the little girl. Okay. I'm sitting in a chair. I hold the baby. Ooh, ooh, the baby says. Ooh, ooh. The baby want me. So I kiss the baby on his nose. Soon the baby shut his eyes. Shh, don't wake the baby. Yes, I already tell you the story. Don't wake the babies. So now, can you answer the question? How the little girl stopped the baby from crying? So please love the sibling. Please take care of the sibling as possible. Okay, so now take a seat and we will role play the story. Okay, thank you for your listening.